go through a full aerobatic routine. Good, curvaceous. Quick stop, we call that in the business. Go charging in, put it into a kick turn. And here now he's just checking everything is fine in the cockpit, so all the T's and P's as we call it in the business, making sure that there are no red lights, that everything is working properly. He's having a good look around him, both above, below, behind, all over the sky, because he's now going to do something that will truly amaze you. So here we go, he's going up, he's pulling up now to about 800 feet. And he's going to just literally balance it and throw it on its back. So keep your eyes peeled now, because here it comes, the Army Air Corps signature movement.
Position's good, height's good. Go.
Yes, oh my word, did he really just do that? From an absolute standing start, throwing it right over his shoulder. A total and utter backflip. Quite extraordinary. But keep your ears peeled, because now he's doing a turn and he's going to hold it there and let the entire helicopter just slide down on its side. Again, a very uncomfortable feeling. Both the pilots, instructors at 671 Squadron down at Middle Wallop in Hampshire, where they're training pilots every day of the week, no days off for this sort of job. Hauling it over now into the 270 Eagle turn. And we'll take it back out to sea, back over the top of the exchange tour currently with the Army Air Corps. A lot of this goes on. We're all switching posts. It broadens the experience of people where we've switched services both in the country and, of course, the NATO islands. Phil, the second in command of the squadron down at Middle Wallop, and an ex-aircraft engineer. Look at that, absolutely extraordinary. From nothing to something in the microsecond. And if you missed it, here's the final one of the day, the signature movement of the Army Air Corps.
Height's coming on. Power's good, position's good.
So there you go, showing the full capabilities, the Navy GIs and machine guns on the side.
Yeah, certainly. You imagine 20 of these coming into a landing zone, 10 minutes before the Vietcong would have known what was coming. There was no sudden attack on one of these machines.
Yeah, you can hear it coming for miles.
Exactly.
I mean, it's just amazing, and they still kept coming, even though they knew that the enemy could see them.
Yeah, so they lost 3,000 of these in Vietnam.
3,000 were shot down or damaged or crashed.
Everything, even with throwing them off the back of aircraft carriers, bring them back from Vietnam because they had no room.
That is just amazing. I cannot imagine an attrition rate that high.
Just amazing. And one of the interesting things about the aircraft is that the actual fatigue life on the airframe, it's not been, they didn't put a light on it with valve, so you keep bolting bits onto this thing and it'll keep flying. It's not like modern machines where you've got 12,500 with floor, with bullet holes. And if you look at a lot of pictures in Vietnam, you'll see the troops actually sat on their helmets, and for that reason, that's where the bullets come up through the floor.
Absolutely extraordinary stuff. I see it's got wire cutters as well. You see those spiky bits out there on just above the cockpit and right below the cockpit. And they're there to give a little bit more confidence flying low level. If you don't see the wires, they're designed to cut them.
Yeah, that's true. The loach is fitted with them as well. It's a standard fit these days.